Okay, so we're in Minecraft here. Let's go settings, down here to storage. Let's go to cached data. Then we're going to click on the texture pack we want to delete. Delete, delete. Now, that's no longer there. We should be able to go back to our server, click join server, and the server had required and wants me to download that, which I had previously, but now it wants to download it. I can join without it, and I should hopefully be able to use the standard resource pack. And yes, well, not quite. That's still not proper. Okay. Okay, so we're back, and it looks like to get the rest of it gone, what we need to just do is delete some more of these, because it comes in parts. Okay, where did I go? Cache data. Okay, down to nothing. Perfect. Now, let's go back and let's try joining the server one more time, and we'll see this time, is the grass good? Yeah, still wants me to download things. That's good. Loading resources or not. And the grass is back to normal. So yes, that was the issue. Just have to download more than one. And there we go. Thank you.